Now let's move on to page 47 to practice how can we use the angle bisector to find different measurement of different angles. So given FL, which is an angle bisector that bisect angle AFM. So the moment they tell me bisect, it means it's an angle bisector. So I'm going to sketch angle AFM. Now I'm going to sketch ray FL, and it bisects it. So I'm going to put marks right away to remember that these two angles are congruent. Now the measurement of angle LFM, so this part over here, is 11x plus 4. And the measurement of angle AFL, so the top part, is 12x minus 2. Now I know that those two angles are congruent. So can I set those two expressions equal to each other and find x? Yes, I can. So let's set 12x minus 2 equals 11x plus 4. Now to solve for x, I'm going to subtract 11x from both sides. So 12x minus 11x, that's going to give me x. So x minus 2 is equal to 4. Then I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Then x is equal to 4 plus 2, which is 6. So that's what x is equal to. Now to find the measurement of angle LFM, that's 11x plus 4. So it doesn't really matter whether I plug in 6 in here or in here. It should give me the same exact solution since these two angles are equal to each other. But since they asked for LFM, I'm just going to plug it into 11x plus 4. And I found x to be 6. So 11 times 6, that's 66, plus 4, and that's 70. So that's 70 degrees. So if this angle is 70 degrees, then this angle is also 70 degrees, and then the whole angle AFM, that's going to be equal to 140 degrees, because 70 plus 70 is 140. Now let's move on to part B. Angle AFM, now the whole thing, so AF, that's the vertex, AFM, and FL is still the angle bisector. So AFM, which is the whole thing, that's equal to 6x minus 2. And AFL, that's 4x minus 10. So these are equal to each other. So if AFL is equal to 4x minus 10, then LFM is also equal to 4x minus 10. So for me to be able to solve for x, I can set that the whole is equal to the sum of the parts. So then 6x minus 2 is equal to 4x minus 10 plus 4x minus 10. So let's combine like terms. 4x plus 4x, that's 8x. Negative 10 minus 10, that's negative 20. So 6x minus 2 is equal to 8x minus 20. I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides, so I get 2x minus 20 is equal to negative 2. Then I'm going to add 20 to both sides, and I'm going to get, I'm going to keep writing over here, negative 2 plus 20, so different sign, you do the difference. So that's 18 equals 2x. So x is equal to 9 if you divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 9. Now they're asking for the measurement of angle LFM, which is 4x minus 10. And I plug in what I just found for x, which is 9. So 4 times 9 minus 10. And that's equal to 26 degrees.